Stereochemistry of selected reactions. We are going to study SNI reaction in this nucleophilic substitution reaction. In it, we are going to study SNI. Here, SNI stands for substitution nucleophilic internal. The most interesting thing to note that when a chiral alcohol is reacted with SOCl2, means thionyl chloride, chlorination happens with retention of configuration. Generally, addition of chlorination reaction of secondary alcohol, it should be SN2 reaction, and in SN2 reaction there is inversion of configuration, but that is not the case in this molecule or in this reaction SNI. Over here in SNI reaction, when alcohol is reacting with thionyl chloride SOCl2, then the chlorine atom is added from the same side of leaving group, that means from same side of OH. So that's why this is not SN2 reaction but SNI. So there is retention of configuration of the product, so it is same to that of reactant. That's why this is different reaction from SN2, it is SNI. So internal. Why this happens, we can study with the help of mechanism. See this mechanism. When thionyl chloride, it is reacting with alcohol, this is a secondary alcohol. So at first this alcohol, oxygen has a lone pair of electron, so this attacks over here on the sulfur, then it forms a bond with one of the chlorine atom is left, it forms a bond with sulfur, so it is alkyl chlorosulfide complex is formed. Now this alkyl chlorosulfide complex, which will undergo internal rearrangement. Internal rearrangement means what? It will leave, it form a planar carbocation, but once the planar carbocation is formed, the attack of chloride ion should be from both the sides, this side as well as this side, like your SN1 reaction, but here it is not the case. Why it is so? Because this time of leaving this this SO2 group over here, it is so short that it will not give the time for this chloride ion to attack from the opposite side. That means it can rearrange internally, and instead of leaving this intermediate, it attacks within the molecule, within the internally it attacks the carbocation, and that's why this chlorine will be attached to the carbocation from the same side instead of opposite side, and that's why there is no inversion of configuration, there is retention of configuration. So chloride ion will attack from the same side to the carbocation as ion pair. So in this way, retention of the configuration of the molecule will take place. So this is SNI reaction. So this is the again the mechanism. So here, instead of attacking from opposite side, this is attacking from the same side of the leaving group, and therefore this will result into retention of configuration. So this is SNI reaction. The mechanism doesn't follow SN2 path, but alcohol forms alkyl chlorosulfide complex with SOCl2, means this one. This is alkyl chlorosulfide complex. So internally this will attack the sulfur, chlorine is left, and it is alkyl chlorosulfide complex is formed, and which rearranges internally and provide chloride ion to the intermediate ion pair carbocation from the same side. Thus resultant carbocation will be attacked from the same side, and thus the configuration of the product is retained similar to that of reaction. So that's why this reaction is called as internal or nucleophilic substitution internal reaction. Okay.